Hey, welcome to the garage. We're going to go ahead and polish up the front forks. Now that I got everything out of the way, I can work on them freely. I'm going to start with 120 grit sandpaper. And I'm going to go ahead and wet sand the inside, the outside. So I'm just going to spray some on there, some water. Now 120 is pretty rough, and I'm not concerned. I want to get all these grooves and stuff out of here that's inside or on the aluminum itself. Now, this will take some time. I'm not going to kid you. I'm not going to lie to you. I'm not going to say, oh, this is a quick job. It's not. To make these forks look really good, sanding is where all the work is. The next step, go from like 120 to like a 300 or 400 grit sandpaper. Then go up to an 800 grit sandpaper. What you're trying to do as you step up on the sandpaper is you're trying to work these big scratch marks out from the rough sandpaper. Pretty much it, there's no magic here. Alright, so I'm at 1000 grit right now. I'm happy with the finish on the aluminum. Looks really good. I'm just gonna wipe it all down. I'm not gonna do the old method of using the white rouge. I'm gonna do something a little bit different here. I'm gonna use McGuire's Mirror Glaze Ultra Cut Compound to smooth this out even more. Then when I'm satisfied with the look, I'm going to switch over to White Diamond Metal Polish. Never tried this product. I hear good things about it. We're going to see how good it is. Now, another thing that's going to be different is I'm going to use my buffer with the polish pad on, the blue pad, because it's softer. Instead of a buffing pad, because it's much more rigid. This is a little softer, and it'll allow me to get into all the corners here and stuff like that. All right, let's hit this up. Doesn't take much Ultra Cut Compound. Don't want to go too fast on the speed. You want it fast enough where it'll do a good job buffing this out, but you want to also be able to control the buffer. So I'll just mist some water on there, just to keep it, you know, moist. Just wipe it all down. Wow, look at the difference on that. Oh crap, that already looks 100% better than what it was when we started. Now that I'm done with the buffer and the Ultra Cut Compound, I'm going to switch over to my drill with the mother's cone on it, and this is what I'm going to use to apply the White Diamond polish. Just going to spread it around my hair. Okay, now you take the cone. We're going to polish this bad boy up. Yeah, one thing I almost forgot. You should be wearing the glasses, or some type of safety glasses. Alright, just lightly buff this out with a rag. And see what it looks like. Alright, I grabbed my iPhone so I can get a better picture. For some reason, the quality on the GoPro isn't as good. Anyway, here's the forks. Just clean them up with the rag, a cleaner rag, and that's what we got for a final product. Pretty nice. Looks just like the chrome piece. That's the chrome piece, and that's the fork. You can't tell the difference. Look how nice that fork looks. Oh my God, that is gorgeous. Thank you for watching. I hope this is helpful. It's a different way of doing it without having to use the compounds for polishing aluminum, and it seems to work. Works pretty good. Like I said, the hardest part is the sanding. If you need to sand the aluminum, if you've got pits, corrosion, stuff like that. All right, I'm out of here. I gotta clean up this huge mess I just made. I got shit everywhere. So you all take care and be safe on the road.